Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, September the 9th, 2024, and I've here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, I don't think this is a 3 stars because this one has 32 printed digits. 32. Alright. And this one will be number 9241. Alright, 32 should be a 0 stars puzzle here. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. But the publisher has indicated with the 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, how about the 6? There's a lot of 6s here. A lot of 6s. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, no need to place level 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need a 6 there, okay. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 4, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these. 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4. I should be there. And cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about the number? Well, need a 3 here. Need a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 7. And I need a 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and a 9. We have 7 and 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in the in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 3. And I need a 8. 8. Okay, need to wait here. How about? Need a 8 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 8. And then let me see. Come on. 5. And 5 here. And 5 there. 5. I'm thinking. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Need 8 here. Nope, need 8 there. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Need 8 here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now, 5, 5. How about the 7 here? Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Okay. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 5, need a 9, need a 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this second column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for the number 9. Okay, 9, 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this third row. No 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, disappointing. 5 here. Then. 4 here. Need a 4 there. How about the number 5, 9 and the 5, 9 and the 6? 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6. How about these 2, 5 and the 9? No. Come on. 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. Well. 9, 3, 9 and the 8. 3, 9 and 8. 3, 9. 3, 5 and well, we need a 5 in this column. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be here then. So the 3 and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left. 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, same numbers, I believe. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then, 9 here. Well, in this row, we need a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9. There's the only place left of 9 in this row, should be here. So the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also. 3 and 8 in this column. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and 8 in the third row. We have a 3 in this column. So here can be 3 and more. This should be an 8. This should be a 3. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 13, 14 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Well, publisher, not the 3 stars. I've proved that this one is a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.